sorry if I made a mess. I'm sorry if I'm still obsessed with you. I'm sorry if I'm still obsessed with you. I know you'll be okay if I go.